Good morning, coming at you from second period, my Algebra and Finance class, which is kind of interesting. Don't forget hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. All right, so going over our practice exam. All right. So we start with $10. We're really hungry. Drinks are $2, hot dogs are this. Get one of each. So basically we just added. So 10 minus 2 plus 1.5 plus 3 plus 1. Okay. As long as this number is smaller than 10, we should be good to go. A lot of people are like, yes, and you'll have this much left. So, let's see, 10 minus 2 plus 1.5 plus 3 plus 1. Yeah. So, yeah, we have, so 2.5 left. The big thing I was looking for is this. Just answer the question. Okay. Mountain Dew Baja Blast. Okay, I don't know if y'all realize this. I'm kind of joking around with some of these problems because, you know, it's fun. 3 for 6. So this is how I did it. 3 gets me is $6. 6 and 3. So this would be $18. So I could get 9 bottles. And that's really all we had to answer. Okay. Kind of simplistic. I know some people are like, these are common sense questions. Well, you'll find out that common sense is like deodorant. The people who need it don't use it, and everybody else around them has to suffer. Now, you like that one? Good. All right. So, Dean took his girlfriend to the movies. All right, we had some people, this is not very specific. Get drinks. You know, they're going to share the popcorn, but they're not going to share the drinks. So, 5 plus 5 plus 6, and this is the popcorn. These are the drinks. Okay. So this, we have $16. So 25 minus 16. Whoops. Bloop, 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 bloop. Minus 16 is 9. So yeah, this one is a big yes. Now, I thought this one was kind of funny. Bethany has $10. And she wants a treat before school. She could get a T-bomb for $9, but Quick Mart has Alani's. Did I spell that right? Alani's, Alanis Morissette. Isn't it ironic? Okay. And cinnamon rolls for $4. Okay. So you can get an Alani plus a cinnamon roll, and that's $5.50. Yeah, Quick Mart is the better deal. Now, some of the Quick Marts, they have really good cinnamon rolls, but sometimes you can get the cinnamon roll bites. They're chopped up. Oh, so good. Okay. Just makes my fat cells just start screaming. Now, so this, remember, is cost 0.2. All right, now it says round to the nearest hundredth. Some of these should be okay where we don't have to round that much. All right, so 87500, one more, times 0.2. All right, so 175,123, and 195,800 times 0.2. Okay, 39160. Whoops. What is going on right now? All right. Clear. 305075 times 0.2. 61015. 61015. And then the last one, 405123 times 0.2. Alright, so yeah, 81,000. Alright, so that's going to be the, kind of the main thing on this. This is what I have on my orange sheet, is cost times 0.2. None of these should really, you have to worry about rounding. On the back is where we got issues with rounding. Alright, part 3, this is going to be cost, parentheses, cost times tax plus cost. Okay, and 6.5% is 0.065. All right. So an electric scooter, 92.87 times 0.65 plus 92.87. All right, so this is 98.906. So 98.906. All right, round the nearest hundredth. We look at the third one. This is now going to change to 98.91. Okay. Now, Mr. Jeffrey's taking his wife out to dinner. Times 0.2, because usually a pretty good tipper. Alright, this is 61764, so 61.764. Alright, since this is not like that, so yeah, this is where we had people like they just were not. I don't know what happened on number 11. Number 11, we had the most missed problems. Somehow, if you have donut holes that are $6.25 at 7.5% tax, you end up paying like almost $15. All right, so 6.718. 718. I'll get that right. Yeah. All right. So this $6.72. Did anybody get the joke on this one? The Ted Lasso mustache treatment. I guess you have to know the show. Mm-hmm. 17.65 times 0.0825 plus 17.65. All right. 19.106. So $19.11. Yeah. 9 through 12 and 13 through 16 is where we actually had the most missed problems in points for some reason. Okay. And so here's the formula. I actually give it to you, so hopefully you can't mess that up. So 5, 4. 5, 4, 0, 100, 30. Okay. Okay, that doesn't move. So 870, 100, 30. Okay. 2,900. 1,885. Okay. Uno momento, por favor. Alright, so 6283.33. Alright. 6283.333. Alright, so again, rounding nearest hundredth. 283.33. That means if there's, this, you still have it. And our last problem, woohoo! 900, 100, 30. So 3,000. All right. And that's it. So tomorrow's our exam. So hopefully you study. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.